guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're building rockets Warbird versus Ronin, set 76278. It's for ages 8 and up. It has 290 pieces. It includes the minifigures Ronin and Rocket. Shows the rockets Warbird, the Milano, whatever, shooting the stud shooters, and whatever that is called. On the back, it shows the play features and Rocket fighting Ronin. Let's open this up. Bag number 2, bag 3, bag 1, bag 4. Instructions, and that's it. Parts must be printed. Alright, let's build. Alright guys, we're done with the build. So let's start off with the minifigures then. We have Rocket Raccoon and Ronin the Accuser. These minifigures look super good. Let's start off with Rocket. He has a little tail at the back. Awesome printing. No printing on the legs though, sadly, but that's still fine. This minifigure looks awesome. He has a blaster. Now for the villain of this set, Ronin. This minifigure is something else. It looks super good. Cape, the hood, you have his staff, and he has leg printing. And now the Milano. It looks pretty good. It's nice to see a switch from the boring gray colors to vibrant aesthetic colors. At the bottom, you can see these engines. They look super cool. And the play features, you can like twist this to shoot stud shooters, which is sick. Detail at the front also, it's just super good. It's super clean. Here you have, I don't know what this is supposed to be, the blue stuff. You can open the cockpit, put Rocket inside. Yeah, you can fit Rocket. Maybe they should have added Groot for this. That's the only complaint about this set. Should have added like an extra figure like Groot or Star-Lord, but besides that, this set is really good. The cockpit looks super good. So much detail all over the ship. This is 10 out of 10, bro. Super good set. I would highly recommend buying it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.